Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, then welcome. So happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post videos. Today's video is on the September Boxycharm. I had to think about what month it was, y'all. It's on the September Boxycharm. This happened while it was in the mail. I don't know how that happened, but the products are fine, so. This month's box is really good. I believe the theme is wildflower. So it comes with this little pamphlet to tell you what you got, how much it costs normally, and yeah, and then it comes with some discount codes on the back as well. So first up, I'm gonna go in order of this. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go backwards. So first up, we've got a Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Roll. Like, what? Huh. So obviously I already put it on my hand. I'm not putting this in my giveaway box. So would you like to see a video of me trying to use this? Let me know if you would down in the comments. Y'all know I love liner, but this seems kind of weird and gimmicky. So maybe we can test it out in a video. And this retails for $19. Alright, the next product I got is this Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Rose. Ooh, that sounds like a color I'm gonna love. Ooh, yeah, it's very pretty. This is what the liquid lipstick looks like right here. It's very pretty. I'm gonna open it up. I don't think I'm gonna use this because, well, especially not today. I already have a lipstick on. This is like my shade. I love this shade. And because I love this shade so much, I have it in a lot of different brands. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this for myself. I did not use it. I just opened it up to see what it looks like. I think I'm gonna put it in my giveaway box for you guys, if that's okay with y'all. All right, next we've got these brushes from Alamada Cosmetics. I think I said that right. It looks like it's got a blending brush, a packing brush, and a flat definer brush. I have so many brushes. If you've watched my past videos, you guys know that I used to do the Morphe brushes online subscription, like the monthly brush subscription. That's a tongue twister. You go through liveglam.com to do the subscription, but I did it for like 2 years, and the amount of brushes I have is ridiculous. So I don't have a lot of packing brushes though, so I think I'm going to keep this packing brush. It looks like a really, really good one. Oh, it's not. Ooh, I bet you could cut the crease really well with this. Ooh, yeah. Definitely keeping this one. I have a ton of blending brushes. It's not even funny. And I actually have a few of the same flat definer brush. So I'm gonna put these two in my giveaway box for you guys. Oh, and that retails for $18. And the liquid lipstick retailed for $19. All right, the next product I got is this Laura Geller blush. It's a blush, baked blush and brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. This is what it looks like. Open it up so you can see it better. Ooh, yeah. This is what it looks like right here. It's super, super pretty. I think I am gonna keep this. I love blush. So I definitely think this is a color that I will enjoy, and also this would be a really good color to use on brides. I do a lot of bridal makeup. So I think I'm going to keep this. And this retails for $28. The box is $21, and this is normally $28. What? That's amazing. All right, and the last product in this month's box is this Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. It's an eyeshadow palette. Open it up. This is what it looks like. That's really pretty. I'm like looking in my viewfinder at it. You could definitely create a lot of different looks with this. This retails for $35, which is amazing. Amazing that it comes in this box, and the box is only $21. Got all this for $21. That's amazing. All right, and that concludes all the products that came in this month's Boxycharm. It's a very good month. This is only the third month that I've done Boxycharm, but so far I am still very impressed. I've done Ipsy, I've done Allure Beauty Box, and this is by far my favorite so far. So, before we end this video, I want to know your opinion down in the comments. I got a new computer, so since the computer is up to date, my old one was, it was not working. I got a new MacBook Air, so now I am able to hook up my phone to the computer, and the computer serves as my viewfinder. And because of that, I was able to turn my phone around and use the better camera side and the 4K camera setting. It is supposed to be better quality. So if you can tell a difference and you think this is better quality, please let me know. If you can't tell a difference, also let me know so I can fix that, because you should be able to tell a big difference. I'm not sure if maybe like in the uploading process, if it's not working, that may be it, but hopefully it's gonna work. Hopefully it is working. So just let me know down in the comments. I'm always trying to make my videos better and my channel better. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.